Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Zain or Hamid. So we are starting a new journey together in which we will learn about the C++, the basic concept of programming and some of the core concepts of object-oriented language. So in this lecture we will start with the history, main page, header file, namespace, main function and compiler. So as far as the history, there was a Danish computer scientist. He was going through the PhD thesis and he suggested to update the C language into the C++. So what he did, he took the C language because it was a general purpose, fast, portable and widely used. So it took the C language and it influenced it with similar Algol 68, ADA, CLU and ML. In 1983, C language was renamed to C++, following with the increment sign, which is a triple plus, so C++ was renamed. So the difference between C and C++ was that the C++ had the virtual functioning, operating, overloading, references, constant, and extra memory allocations. So the next thing is header file. The first thing we will add in our code and our program will be the header file. It will be added with the hashtag include statement and sometime it will be followed by the .h extension. Header files generally contains the definition of the function and the variable which is imported or used into the C++ program by using the preprocessor. The next thing we mostly use is the namespace. Namespaces are used to organize code into logical groups and to prevent name collision that can occur, especially when your code base include multiple libraries. So what do we have here? We have the multiple libraries of codes in each and every code library. The reserved words have its own different meanings. So we will use the namespace std, which is the standard library files, and it will contain the definition of each and every reserved word will be. As we move on next, so next thing is compiler. Compiler is the computer program that translates code written in high level language such as English and it converts into the low level language such as machine language. As we know that computer deals in the low level language, so computer cannot understand all language which is a high level language, which we can say English language, close to the English language. So there must be an interpreter, compiler, which translate the high level language into the low level language. Compiler does this job. So as we move on further, so I will be using a dev C++ 5.11. It is easily available on the internet. All you have to do is just search it and download it. So starting with it, so first of all we will have to create the page on which we will write a code. So we have to go to the file, and what we will do, we will create a source file. So this will be your complete flow in which we will write the codes. So as far as the getting started, so first of all what we will do is to start with simple things. So first of all we will include files. So most of the time we will be including iOS game. It was mentioned, so we will be using namespace exact same pattern. For example, we have to include each and every time some of the files, and we also have to use a namespace. There are different include files, there are different namespace files. As far as we will in this all of the tutorial we will be using include iOS stream and using namespace std. So there are different other files which can be used for different purposes, but as for this tutorial we will be using only these two files. So after that we will go to the main function. This is all the main function, and in the end we have to write the keyword return 0. In the further lecture we will know why we use the return 0 keyword. So as far as now, the int main function is the function which will be executed first. This is the main function. Wherever you write it, whether it's on the top of the program, whether it's in middle of your code or it's in bottom, compiler will search a main program first and it will execute the main program first. So as far as this tutorial, what we have learned, these are the just basic techniques, and I am also getting used to this. I think I'm not feeling comfortable with that, but inshallah, and within the next few tutorial I will be back in rhythm as I used to be. So don't worry about this. So that's all what we did in this tutorial. We have just gone through with the simple to the point history of the C++, and after that we have a little discussion about the include file and using namespace std, and I have told about the main function, and I also told about the compiler, the working of the command. Last but not least, I told you about the main function. So this is all from this time. Inshallah, the next video we will go further more. So stay tuned, stay blessed.
I'm paralyzed, I'm scared to live, but I'm scared to die. And if life is pain, then I buried mine a long time ago, but it's still alive, and it's taking over me.